Choosing the right drone detection system is more important than ever as drones become a common presence in our skies. With so many options available, how do you make sure you're selecting technology that truly protects your airspace, fits your operational needs, and stays within legal boundaries? Here are 5 key factors to consider. First, focus on detection capabilities. Look for systems that can identify a wide range of drones, especially those from different manufacturers. With most drones now required to broadcast remote ID signals, choosing a system that can receive and interpret these signals gives you real-time awareness of drones and their pilots. Early detection and a long detection range are crucial for assessing intent and responding before a situation escalates. Second, make sure your system complies with all relevant regulations. FAA rules and federal communications laws restrict what you can do with drone signals. Remote ID-based detection systems are designed to be legally safe, allowing you to monitor airspace without risking legal exposure. Third, consider flexibility and ease of deployment. Whether you need a permanent installation or a portable solution for temporary events, your system should be easy to set up, scale, and adapt to changing needs. Fourth, if you manage multiple locations, centralized monitoring is essential. A unified dashboard streamlines operations, improves situational awareness, and makes scaling easier. Finally, evaluate the total cost and operational impact. Look for solutions with transparent pricing, low training requirements, and user-friendly interfaces to maximize your investment and keep your team ready to respond. By weighing these 5 factors, you'll be equipped to choose a drone detection system that aligns with your mission and keeps your airspace secure.